About $100 and ready to dive into the world of investing? You don't need a fortune to get started. In this video, I will show you how to begin your stock market journey with just $100. Let's get started. First, let's understand what the stock market is. The stock market is where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. When you buy a share, you are purchasing a small piece of that company, giving you a stake in its future growth. As a shareholder, you can benefit from the company's success through price appreciation and sometimes even dividends. Before you can start investing, you will need to choose a brokerage platform. This is where you will buy and sell your stocks. Many platforms offer commission-free trading, making it easy to get started with just $100. Look for platforms that are user-friendly and have no account minimums. Popular options include Robinhood, Webull, and E-Trade. With your $100, you can choose different investment strategies. You can buy individual stocks, invest in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, that track entire sectors or markets, or even purchase fractional shares of expensive stocks like Apple or Amazon. ETFs are a great choice for beginners as they provide diversification, meaning your risk is spread across multiple companies. Before you invest, it's crucial to research. Look for companies with strong financials, good management, and a solid track record. You can use tools available on your brokerage platform to analyze historical performance, read news updates, and check analyst ratings. Start with industries you understand and companies whose products you use daily. Now comes from the exciting part. Making your first investment on your brokerage platform. Search for the stock or ETF you want to buy. Enter the amount, let's say $100, and confirm the purchase. Just like that, you are invested in the stock market. Don't worry. If the process feels overwhelming at first, it becomes second nature with practice. After you have invested, it's important to monitor your portfolio. Keep an eye on how your stocks or ETFs are performing. But don't panic over daily fluctuations. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Set a schedule to review your investments regularly, but avoid checking them obsessively. This will help you stay focused on your financial goals. To recap, starting with $100 is more than enough to begin your investing journey. Choose a brokerage, decide on your strategy, research, invest, and monitor your portfolio. With patience and persistence, your investments can grow significantly over time. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy investing and thanks for watching.